Everybody in your cells now. Son of a bitch. Twist the Wolf, you're getting a phone call. Get your ass over here, little bitch. Wonder who is calling me. Hello?
Hey, Twist the Wolf, have you seen Johnny?
Yes, I have seen Johnny. He's training at Terry Silver's gym.
I'm sorry, who?
Terry Silver. The leader of Cobra Kai.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and now Johnny almost killed me.
Have you heard of Terry? You heard of Terry Silver, right?
Yeah, I saw him during my gang war with Pichu. He was beating up all those guys, but then he turned on me. It just seemed like a weird situation. But now Johnny is training there, and he hates me.
What does this Terry Silver guy look like?
He has a big head. He has really good karate. He has black karate outfit on. And he has like a wide eyes, big nose, big mouth. That's what he looks like.
He had a ponytail.
I believe so.
Oh, shit.
You know something about this?
Yes, I know about him.
Get in the fucking cell now. Wait, what the fuck? Why the fuck is Bowser in here? What the fuck did Bowser even get? You know, I don't give a fuck. Fuck him anyway. But still.
Yeah. So, before I met all of y'all, I had another son named Robbie. Robbie King. You know Robbie King,
Yeah,
right?
I do know him, yes.
I moved him. I left him when he was a baby, and because I had Johnny. I've had Johnny, and he didn't. And but then I got more natural with him. So my son Robbie joined Cobra Kai, and I don't know who the fuck messed up his mind, but he was in a very, very bad place. And then I had this student named Miguel, and I don't think you remember. I don't think you know Miguel though. But
I don't really know much about him. I've heard the name Miguel, but I haven't really met him or nothing like that.
But after that, I done a little bit of karate. Then I had this karate gym called Cobra Kai Boxing.
Okay.
Then
what happened to it?
my old trainer, John Kreese, well, he's in jail now because of assault. He took Cobra Kai Boxing Gym away from me. After that, he went to jail. So now his friend Terry Silver is taking over. And one time, this dude Terry Silver beat the shit out of me for no reason.
Oh shit! Really? So you know Terry Silver?
Yes, I do.
Well, he's done something to Johnny, and I don't know what. But Johnny has a serious grudge towards all of us on Team Sheldon. And I don't know what the fuck is going on. But all of a sudden, we just hate each other. And it's just weird. And we got arrested. Me, Gorilla Johnny, Shazam, Sheldon, Sage, Killer Croc, and Lefty. We're all in jail.
Holy shit.
So, we don't know how long we're going to be in here. We got to get the fuck out of here. We're going to find something. But I don't know what. I shouldn't be saying this on the phone.
If I know who can take down Cobra Kai, it's my... I really don't want to call him.
Who?
Daniel LaRusso.
Oh, fuck. Weren't you supposed to fight him like a year ago?
Yes, but he pulled out.
Shit. So you guys are going to have to work together to take this fucker out.
Yeah. But if I can make a call to him, I mean, he's probably gotten over it now, but I'm not really mad at him because of the bullshit. But if I can get a hold to him, then I can probably help y'all get out of jail.
All right. Well, good luck. It's going to be a tough journey, but we got to get the fuck out of here. I have a fight in 2 weeks.
Yeah, but don't worry. Cobra Kai is going down. Same with Terry Silver.
For sure. These pieces of shit. No matter what, we're taking them down and we're getting Johnny back.
Yep. Even if we have to join old team members. But anyways, I was talking about, like, myself.
Oh.
I have to go on Daniel.
Time is up, sister. We'll get the fuck back to jail. Well, shit. I gotta go. I gotta go back in my cell. So, I'll talk to you soon.
Alright.
Peace out. Fuck me. What, Bowser, why the fuck are you in jail? I don't want to fucking talk about it. Oh, wow. Bowser just committing crimes. What's new? Girl's gonna shut your bitch ass up. You fucking clown. You're the clown here, bro. Just be quiet before we'll kill your ass. Yeah, sure. Okay. What the fuck you get arrested for anyway? So, I basically broke into this gym called Team Cobra Kai. Wait a minute. I'm sorry? So, who was there? Was Johnny there? Apparently, my son went there to box Johnny and fight him, I heard. But he got kidnapped. Wait a minute. And who was the guy? Apparently, his name is Terry Silver? Oh, shit. You're in here for the same reason we're in here. We broke into that place because Johnny's against us now. What? How the fuck did that happen? I don't know. But I remember that game with Pichu and shit. Yes, I indeed remember that. I remember that. Yeah, so basically, after that, Johnny's not really been on the best of terms with us. And now he's like extremely angry at us. He almost killed me. We were fighting and shit in the gym, and he almost killed me. Even Gorilla Johnny got beaten the shit out of. Nah, I didn't get beat up. Yes, kind of did, my guy. You gotta take that. Oh, fuck me. But fuck me, I can't get in jail. I have to knock your ass out. My guy, you're not knocking me out, but okay, sure, whatever. Well, I gotta figure something out. I can't even say this, but good luck getting out of here. It's a bit rough. Yeah, you too. Fucking hell. What the fuck, dude? Oh, fuck, nah. Wait a minute. Oh, I remember when some guy tried to me in jail. Huh? Yeah, some dude.
Hey, what's up, Bowser? Ready for round 2?
Excuse me?
Man, you kind of thick.
Yeah, I'm sure, bitch. Don't fucking touch me. I'll beat your ass. Bowser, I don't recommend. Don't touch me, my guy. I don't want to be touched again.
Ooh. You like being touched, don't you? After that one bully call.
Bowser, you're fucked. Sucker. Shut up, Gorilla Johnny, you bitch. Ugh.
Grab that booty.
No, you ain't. Oh, fuck. Ow, you son of a bitch. Don't touch me. Let go of my ass.
That soap.
Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna grab. Okay, I'm gonna grab the soap. Oh shit! I dropped the fucking soap. All right, let me pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up now. Ow! Get that out of me! Stop it! Oh my God, is he actually? Stop touching me! Get that out of there! Ew! This is harassment. Get the.
You better back up. I got shake on you.
Don't you touch me, bitch! Get the. Ouch. Dude, you got, bro. I am aware.
Hey, represent, homie. What set you live in, homie?
Wait a minute. Is that them bitches Mario then? Hi, we're here to bail out. Oh, yeah, Twist 12 and them guys got arrested too. But we're here to bail out Bowser. His pay will be $16,000 or $100,000. Pretty damn cheap. I can't lie. Here you go. Thank you, Bowser. You're free to go. You've been bailed. Lucky little shit. Thank you. Oh, thank God. Ow. I'm scarred for life after that.
See you later, Bowser.
Yeah,
when you come back in here.
I ain't coming back anytime soon, that's for sure. And now, what the fuck? I don't want to talk about it. I do not want to talk about it. What do we... They already left.
They already left, dang. I want to say something about Princess Peach.
Yeah, that's lovely. How are we going to get out of here, guys? Like, we usually need to do something. I have no idea. Killer Croc, you're strong, right? Yeah. How did we escape? How did we escape last time? Didn't we dig out through a vent? Yeah, but there ain't no walls here anymore. Like, at least vents. But maybe we can dig our way underground. Or maybe when they take us outside to work out, we can make our escape from there. Huh. Killer Croc, you do make a good point. We could get out from that. But we're going to have to fight a bunch of cops. Yes. But at the end of the day, I think if we stay together, we could take him out. I mean, look, we got Gorilla Johnny here and Sheldon. And Killer Croc's very strong. And we're just warriors. We can do this. Yes, we can. And we will. Alright, guys. Let's just wait. Alright, guys. Time to go outside. Move it. Alright. Everyone, this is our chance. Alright, guys. We're outside. Shit, man. Yeah, I remember being here. It's not fun. It's been a while, actually. Yeah, last time you were here, you weren't here. Sage was. You guys were there, but we hated each other. Daniel pour soda on us? Yes. I remember that. Dick. I'm playing. Alright. Anyway. So what do we do now to swords? We get the fuck out of here? Shut up. I'm gonna make the call. How are you gonna make a call? We're in jail. Snuck my phone, suckers. Yo, Johnny Lawrence. Johnny Lawrence. Get the getaway car. We're ready to get the fuck out of here. Alright. Okay, he's on his way. Who's on his way? Johnny Lawrence is gonna get us the fuck out of here. Oh, let's go. Yes. Sage, you're gonna be on watch. Let us know when someone's coming. Alright. This sucks. Don't worry, we'll be out of here soon. Yeah. Still, I don't see no one coming. Come on, Johnny Lawrence, where are you? We need to get the fuck out of here. Okay, guys, go, go, go. Hey, you're trying to escape. I'm in. Guys, get in. I'll hold up the cops. I'll help you. Alright, go. Killer Croc, hold. I'm coming behind. Go, guys. I'm getting in. Me too. Come on, guys, go. Killer Croc, make a run for it. I'm in. Let's go. Hey, yo, Johnny Lawrence, you got a gun in here?
No.
Fuck, there's cops on us.
Don't worry, we'll throw this car out.
Fuck, we gotta keep driving. Keep driving. Wait a minute. Let's see, what's the guy in this car? Any weapons in here?
I have tools. Does that work?
Yes. Give me something. Give me a hammer. Killer Croc, get that hammer over there. I got you. Here. Take this, bitch. Oh, fuck, a hammer. It actually worked. Holy shit. Alright. Wait a minute. I see another car. Alright, guys. I'm gonna make a jump for it. Come on. Alright, Sage. You ready? I'm ready. I just want to do your plans, all these pricks. Get the fuck out of there. Alright, guys. I'm driving the cop car. I'll stay behind you. Oh, fuck. Cop car. Fuck you, too. Keep going, guys. There's a getaway spot right there. Stay right there. There you go. Alright. I'm gonna keep taking all these cops. Alright, guys. We're here. This is a good spot to hide, honestly. I can't lie. I think we're good, guys. Just wait a little bit longer. Yeah, I agree. Officers have lost sight of the suspect. Alright, guys, we're clear.
Just letting y'all know this is a stolen van and I did not steal this from the Luso.
Okay. Well, let's get out of here. I want to get home. Whew, we escaped prison, y'all. Yes, on God. Thanks, Johnny Lawrence. He saved our ass.
No problem.
We'll see you around. Or if you want to come in and hang out, you can, but it's up to you.
Yeah, I need to come and sit down with y'all.
Alright, come on. Why not, right? Ugh. My goodness, what's up? We good?
So tell me what is going on.
Alright, so you can do the explaining. Basically, to Johnny and I called Johnny up because I think after the game, well, we've not really been speaking, but it didn't seem like it was much animosity. So I decided to give him a call and see how he was, because he wasn't calling me. He didn't want to show up to any of the press conferences. You get the story. You get the picture. Anyway.
Yeah.
Speaking of it, so basically, I called Johnny. I'm like, hey, Johnny, what's going on? He's like, what the fuck do you want? So automatically he's giving me an attitude, which is quite weird, because Johnny and I usually are really cool. Anyway, getting to the point, Johnny and I, basically, he started saying, oh, I ain't cool with y'all no more. And we're like, what the fuck? So then this guy named Terry Silver comes up to the call. He had a familiar face. I've seen him before in the gang war. He almost killed me in the gang war, but I luckily survived. So basically, then we broke into his house. Dexter gave us a plan to get into the house. And
Thought y'all were going to his gym.
Yeah, we went to his gym. And then we all got our ass whooped by Terry Silver. And then me and Johnny started fighting. He almost fucking killed me. So.
Why would Johnny do that?
I don't know. Me and Johnny were always so close. But now all of a sudden he just dislikes me.
Was there anybody else else with Terry Silver?
Yes, there was a couple guys. His name Mike something. I forgot his last name.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know who that is. But
There was a couple other dudes. I saw some of his minions, but it was really just him. Him and Johnny.
oh. And then what else happened?
And then we got beaten up, and then we got arrested, and then that's what happened. And you called, we escaped, and now we're here.
Oh, this Terry Silver guy. So Terry Silver did mostly all of this just to get. Wait. Does Black Will know about this?
Yes, Terry Silver, bro, she's with him. And the kids.
Wait, I thought the kids were gonna live with me, but I guess Johnny said he's gonna take care of them.
Well, they're with Johnny, and Black Widow's there as well.
I don't know what's going on with my daughter and my son, but it's with Cobra Kai, and we gotta take them down.
We got him.
First, I need to have a call with Daniel LaRusso. He's probably the one to talk to me right now because mostly fucked up everything, to be honest.
In the fight that was supposed to happen, but we get it, yeah. Absolutely, yeah.
I might see what LaRusso can do, and probably might. Who else in the jail with y'all?
Well, it's just me, Sheldon, Lefty, Killer Croc, Shazam, Sage, and Gorilla Johnny. And Dexter. Dexter was also with us.
Was there anybody else that y'all are not cool with?
Not cool with, Terry Silver. I saw some other guy.
No, like in the prison.
Bowser.
Bowser. And what was Bowser in there for?
Bowser apparently went to the same spot to save his son.
You probably might need to team up with Bowser.
No, 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 and no. No. Fuck that. That bitch can rot in hell for him.
Daniel LaRusso can team up with each other, but y'all can too. Put this negative bullshit on the side.
But we're literally fighting on December 10th.
Well, I don't know how to say this, but if this Terry Silver guy keeps on getting worse and worse, you need to make that call.
But that's the last thing we do. Yeah, ain't no fucking way I'm teaming up with Bowser and those losers. No way. Yeah, nah. Nah, fuck that. But
Might say that first, but then you might really.
And plus, I don't want to team up with Mega Man. Oh, hell no. And not my snake cousin Freddy. Fuck that bitch too.
Wait, something just came up on my phone.
What did?
Leonard versus Terry Silver, the co-main event for November 19th.
Sage, you good? Oh no, Leonard's gonna Oh god, Leonard, what are you doing? God, Leonard, what the fuck does Leonard, no! Oh shit. Bro, Gorilla John, you gotta train him hard, bro. You gotta train him. I will.
Yes, need to train. I will train him.
Alright, I think that's the only choice.
We'll see if Daniel LaRusso is on Team Mario. Well, fuck.
I'm not teaming up with Team Mario.
Yeah, that is.
And why the fuck would they team up with us anyway? Yeah, ain't no fucking way I'm teaming with Bowser Jr. or Bruce Lee or Mega Moose. Didn't you and Mega Man, like, be cool for, like, a couple days? I was retarded those days. Don't ask. But seriously, what the fuck is... That is the last thing we're gonna do. Hopefully Leonard can really start this shit. But Leonard's gonna have a rough career. This is a bad choice. I don't know, man, but we gotta be confident in Leonard. We gotta all help him. But we all gotta prepare for our own fights. Like, Lefty, you're fighting Freddy on November 12th. Killer Croc, you're fighting...
For that. I'll train him for that.
Killer Croc is fighting Diddy Kong.
I can train him and Leonard at the same time.
It's funny how me and Leonard used to have been fighting, but now we cool. It's fucking weird. I just realized that. Yeah.
See? How you gonna beef with your teammates, your old enemies, but now being friends?
See, the thing is, though, is like we decided to team up because Sonic snaked us.
That was Sonic did snake him.
I don't fucking know, but Sonic's a little rat.
Y'all still be beefing, right? Right or wrong?
Who, me and Leonard? Yeah, probably.
So let's get ready for this training. Let's begin.
Yes. I mean, Twist will have to take on Sonic. Sheldon, you don't have a fight coming up, right? No, I just lost my last fight against Black Panther, so I can help train. Shazam, I don't got a fight either. Sage, I'm trying to get a fight, but I don't have a fight currently either. Gorilla Johnny obviously has a fight with Bowser. I have a fight and Twist has a fight. I'm sorry. Yeah, let me just move this way a little bit here. Okay. Like I was saying. Gorilla, okay, so, yeah. That's what we gotta do.
We gotta take down Copacabana.
Yep. Those bitches are not getting away with this.
Let's start to train.
Let's get some rest and then we start training tomorrow. Right away.
Yeah.
Cause Twist the Wolf's gonna have to get through Sonic. So, yeah. Alright, let's go. Good night, y'all.
Twist the Wolf, I can show you a few more tips with your...
That would be cool. That. We're going to war. Let's fucking go.
You want to know how to fight Southpaw?
Sure, you can teach me that. But I think tomorrow, I gotta get some sleep, so... Yeah, you want to crash in here for the night, you can. I don't care.
I'm finna go back to my apartment.
Alright, man. Well, peace out, my guy. It was nice seeing you. We'll fix this. Let's go to bed, y'all. Alright, let's go.
Get in the van.